Dear students, today we are going to discuss types of speculators. The first doubt itself, who is speculator? A person who invests in shares in the hope of making a profit through the fluctuation of the market. Fluctuations mean changes. Generally buy securities with a hope to sell them in future at a profit. They are not interested in holding the securities for longer period because speculators are not genuine investors. Generally investors investing for longer period and getting income, but speculators investing for shorter period and expecting a profit. There are 4 types of speculators in the stock exchange. Stock exchange means security market where buying and selling of shares and debentures of the company. There are 4 types of speculators in the stock exchange. Number 1, bull. Number 2, bear. Number 3, stag. Number 4, lame duck. Let's start with the first point, bull. Bull is also known as Tejiwala. Tejiwala means increasing the price of the securities. Increasing, speed up. He is a speculator who expects the future rise in price of securities. He buys the securities to sell them at a future date at the higher price. Example, just you take it that ABC company share is rupees 480 today. Bull operator anticipating mean expecting that the amount of the share will be increased to 550 up to the next week. Buying for lower price today and selling to higher price later. Bull operator is an optimistic speculator. Optimistic means positive thinking. He is called as bull because his activities resemble means same, as the bull tend to throw its victim up in the air through its horns. In simple, the bull speculator try to raise the price of the security by placing a big purchase order. For your better understanding, see this, that animal is bull, throwing its victim in the air with the help of horns. So that resemble, that's why we given the name of bull. So bull mean increasing the price of the security in the future. The next is bear. Bear is also known as Mandiwala. Mandiwala means slow down, decreasing the value of the security. He is speculator who expect future fall in price of the security. He does an arrangement to sell securities at future date at the present market rate. Just to take it one example, if 1 gram gold is 3,500 today, bear operator expect that the price will be fall next week. So he is selling the gold for a higher price today and buying the same gold at a lower price later. He is called as bear because his attitudes resemble with the bear. Generally bear, what he going to do? Just see this image. Bear always suppressed his victim. Suppressed mean pulling down to the earth his victim. The third point is stag. A stag is a speculator who applies for a large number of shares in a new issue with the expectation of selling them to the public immediately after allotment at a premium and making a profit. Stag is a cautious speculator in the stock exchange. Cautious means very careful or well aware about the market. Stag generally select those companies whose share are in more demand. Example, if any new company issuing shares to the public, a stag applying for shares and company accepted and allotted share to him. If company asking allotment money to him, at that time what he doing? He selling this shares to other with premium. Here premium means extra amount, that is profit for him. And a stag is also known as premium hunter. A stag is also known as a premium hunter. The last point is lame duck. Lame means not able to walk. He is a speculator When the beer operator find it difficult to deliver the security to the customer on a particular day, as agreed upon, he struggles as a lame duck fulfilling his commitment. This happened when the price do not fall as expected by the beer and other party is not willing to postpone the settlement to next period. Example, beer operator who expect the price of the ABC company share will be decreased within 10 days as per his expectation in the market. So what he doing? He put on agreement to someone that he will give 100 share. He will sell 100 share within 15 days as per today's rate of the share. Even though he may not have 100 shares from him, he felt that the market of the share down, the holder of the share will sell for lower price. At the time he tried to buy for lower price and deliver it to an agreement party. But the ABC share did not fall as per his expectation. He tried to buy the ABC share but no one is ready to sell the share. So in this circumstance, how he is struggling is like a lame duck. That's it, student. These are the types of speculators. This is your homework. What are the types of speculators? We have 4 types of speculator: bull, bear, lame duck, stag. Explain bull and bear. Explain stag and lame duck. These are the 3 mark question. That is available, answer available in page number 54, TN textbook. Chapter 7th, stock exchange.